Hi students, Olevels Online presents the video lecture series for adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the exam tips for depreciation part 2. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Levels upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE, for accounting 7707 or 0452. Let's begin the exam tips material. There are three most popular methods to calculate depreciation. Number 1, straight line method, number 2 is reducing balance method or declining balance method, and finally revaluation method. For examination point of view, all three are important. Let's have a straight line method first. Look at the formula. The formula for a straight line method to calculate depreciation per year is equal to cost minus scrap value, or residual value divided by life in years, or depreciable cost divided by life in years, or depreciable cost multiply by life in percentage. Let's look at some important points according to examination point of view. The first one is scrap value. It is the remaining value of the asset after completing its whole life. Secondly, cost minus depreciation is called depreciable cost, and finally, scrap value, also called the residual value. Hopefully, you got a clear understanding of the straight line method. If you have any query regarding the lesson, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.